What's up, beauties? Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be doing the April 2019 Boxycharm unboxing, and I'm going to swatch all the colors in here for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. I have not looked in this box yet. So usually you get like a card like in the box telling you what the like month theme is. And for April, it's Peace, Love, and Boxycharm. So I'm going to keep this also so I can tell you how much everything retails for. So, okay. So the first thing that's in here is by Appeal, and it's a holographic lip gloss. And this is what it looks like. This retails for, let's see, the Appeal. Okay, so this retails for $21. Wow, that is a lot. That's a lot for like a lip gloss. So I'm going to go ahead and just peel this plastic off really quick. And then I'll go ahead and swatch this on the back of my hand for you. It does not have a smell. So let's see how this is looking. So like I see, you can even like, it just looks like a regular gloss on camera. Let me see, I'm gonna like put some on really quick and see if, like, I can barely, I wouldn't say that this is holographic by any means. Like, it's glossy for sure, but I wouldn't say it's like holographic. Like, I do like the gloss, but if you're looking for something that's like truly holographic, I wouldn't get this. But the formula feels nice, and it is like a good gloss that you can wear over your lipstick. So I like it because I'm not a huge fan of like the holographic kind of thing, and it does not have a smell. I like my lip glosses to have a smell, but that's a good one. Not sure if I would buy that for $21, but technically I paid, what is it, 20 bucks for this. So the next thing in here is by Bodyography, and it's a eye pencil in the shade Belly Bronze, and this retails for $14. So I can go ahead and take this off. Oh, this is a really pretty, okay, so this is true to color. It is really bronze. You could probably use this as a good eyeliner or whatever, but there you go, bronze eye pencil. And then next thing I have in here is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Loose Powder, and this retails for, let's see, the Artist Couture, this retails for $27. Sorry, I like dropped my paper. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys. I really do like this packaging. It's like a faux like marble. Of course it's faux marble because you can't package it in real marble. But anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. And the top is very nice. Nice gold lettering in there. And let's see, how do I open this thing? There's like a piece of protective plastic in here. Oh, okay, I see. I think I just turn it. So I finally got the little piece of plastic off that's on the inside, and it is a very shimmer loose pigment in here. And let's see, I just go ahead and swatch that on the back of my hand. It is super pigmented, very pretty, very glittery. Not sure what I would use it for. Maybe like a shadow. I don't know. I'll find a use for it. Most likely I'll probably use it for an eyeshadow, because I'm not the type to like have a blinding highlight using something like this. So I don't know. In the works, but I like it. So the next thing in here, we have some brushes from Luxie, and these retail for $28. And they came in this really cute little packaging. The brushes themselves look really cute also. I personally, you know, Boxycharm always gives out these Luxie brushes, and they have been really good quality for me. I love them. Oh, and they are like pink and yellow or pink and gold ombre. So So in here we have a 245 brush, which is this, you know, just a regular flat brush. And then we have a flat blending brush. It's the 209 brush. Just a nice regular flat brush. I actually needed one of these. And then a, what is this? Like a small, oh, just a small contouring brush. And this is the 512 small contouring brush. I have a lot of flat brushes like this, but I don't have the other two brushes. So personally, I'm really happy about these. So I can drop those back in there. And then, let me see, I'm gonna put this back in the packaging. The diamond powder back in the packaging. And then last but not least, we have a palette, Festival 12-piece pressed pigment palette. And this retails for $36. So I have to cut this open. So I will say while I'm cutting this open, I've tried one of these palettes before by this brand, and there was only one color in the palette that I liked. So just because of the formula, not so much of the color, but just how it went on the eye, and I just wasn't very happy with it. Oh, and what else is in here? Oh, okay. Endurance. Oh, and this is really cute. So they're also giving you a Endurance eyeshadow primer. So this also came in the eyeshadow box, which I think is really nice. I appreciate that. I think that's a nice touch. The packaging on this is really cute. I love the sunglasses on the front, the festival theme. Whoop. Okay, so the festival theme on the front here, and then all of the colors, very bright. They do have some, I'm gonna take the protective film, oops, I'm gonna drop this, I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna take this protective film off. Okay, so I have the film off so that you can see the colors a little bit better. They do have these really, really shimmery, glittery shades right here. I really like this purple right here, so I'm hoping that this palette has a much better color payoff, because there are a few shades in here that I really want to try for eyeshadow looks. I'll go ahead and swatch those two super glittery shades. This is Fireworks. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one first. And I mean, it is pretty glittery. It has like a, I don't know, kind of like a cream base. And then the other one is called 24 Karat Magic. And that is the gold shade right there. So I do feel like these will be very glittery, and I'm excited about that. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this purple shade because I was also excited about that one in there. So there we have a purple. And then I'll just go ahead and swatch the pink right next to it. So it looks like these may be a little bit better. I feel like I can feel the quality in the shades, you know, the shadows being a little bit different. So that's super exciting. I can't wait to create a eyeshadow look with this. Maybe this will be my next video, or maybe in a couple of videos, because I have a couple lined up already. So, but that does it for the April 2019 Boxycharm box. If I say, is it worth it? I mean, I personally think it's worth it. I generally like everything that comes in the Boxycharm boxes every month. Some people, I don't know, I've seen mixed reviews, but I personally like it. I would recommend subscribing to Boxycharm, and you can always unsubscribe whenever you want to. So that is for this month's box, and if you would like to see me do an eyeshadow look using that Pure Festival palette, leave it in the comments below, and also give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. It's all promo. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.